8BitDo Retro 108 Mechanical Keyboard. Sold by Amazon.com. Introducing the 8BitDo Retro 108 Mechanical Keyboard, a nostalgic nod to classic designs. This keyboard features a full 108-key layout, complete with an integrated numpad. Enjoy seamless connectivity with Bluetooth, 2.4G, and USB-C options for versatile gaming. Equipped with Kailh box white switches V2 and durable Dye-sub PBT keycaps. The Hot-swappable PCB allows easy customization without soldering, supporting N-key rollover. Experience fast mapping on programmable buttons, eliminating the need for additional software. Compatible with 8BitDo Ultimate software, enhancing your Windows and Android gaming experience. Order now. Order today for $119.99.